guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and today I'm here to show you guys how you can easily groom your brows at home. As the pandemic is not over yet, I understand that a lot of you guys are not comfortable with going outside to get your brows done. So I'm here to show you guys how you can easily do it at home. Let's get started. At first, I'm going to be taking the wheat facial trimmer. This is one of my most favorite items to groom my brows with. This is so easy and you don't have to fear about cutting yourself with this trimmer, so it's really good. I'm using the smaller end of the trimmer to initially groom the brows. So at first I use the trimmer and later on you will see me using a tweezer to pluck a few of my brow hairs. Now I'm taking this razor thingy to remove any of my peach fuzz that I might have around my brows. This will make sure that my brows are looking clean and defined. This step can be quite risky if you're not aware of how you're using this, so please be careful and go very little at a time. And now I will be going in with a tweezer. I'm using this to pluck out those few little hairs that I couldn't take out with the razor or the trimmer. This will make sure that my brows look extra defined. Now, if you have really long brow hair and you don't like the look of a bushy brow, then what you can do is brush your brow hairs upwards and then with a small scissor, try to cut out those extra edges. Once again, be very careful while doing this step. And this is how it looks like. Here I am filling out my brows with a little bit of brown eyeshadow just to show you guys how it looks after it's all done. And I'm also using a concealer to curve it out. And this is how your brows should look like if you follow these steps. I think I should mention one thing, that I'm not a professional at doing this. This is just my way of how I do my brows at home. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I love you all and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!